Hello? Cool. Universally, we want things to be faster. Whether that be our internet service, our computers, or our transportation. Then why are we okay that our flights from SFO to JFK still take 6 hours when it took that same time 50 years ago? And do we really imagine that 50 years later, it's going to remain 6 hours? The answer is no. Some way or another, it's going to change. It's going to be faster. And we believe the answer is quiet supersonic transport. My name is Norris T, and I am the CEO and co-founder of Exosonic. And today, I want to share with you why our airline customers and their time-sensitive business travelers care about this product. Also, how we have the best foundational team to get this company started, and how with increased globalization, there's a lot more aircraft and passenger demand, and of course, that leads to greater competition for supersonic transport. And finally, we of course have a clear plan to deliver on this ambitious project. So airlines are always looking for a way to differentiate themselves from the competition. And we're going to provide them a new angle, speed. And that's important to their most valuable customers who are time-sensitive business travelers. We've all been there where we flew countless times across the country or abroad. And it stinks to be on an airplane. We just want to get to our destination, close that business deal or meet that customer, and get back to our loved ones. And so providing faster travel, we can provide better work-life balance for those premium time-sensitive travelers. And for the past 2 years, we've developed the best foundational team to get this company started. We have a team of Stanford MBAs and Aero-Astro grad students, and all of us have experience in designing aircraft either in academia or in industry. We also have a world-class set of advisors who are experts in not only aircraft design, but also the airline industry. And with all of our collective brainpower, we developed our first concept, which is this Mach 1.8, 60-passenger, 4,500 nautical mile supersonic aircraft. Now you might be wondering, why are we so special? And it's because of our elongated fuselage, which mutes the sonic boom and allows us to fly supersonically over land. And we will be the first in the world to develop that commercially in an aircraft. Now, with the next 20 years, there's going to be over 47,000 new aircraft to service the 10 billion passengers that are coming on board. And so, of course, this is going to be a competitive space. And there's a few competitors. Aerion, they're a supersonic business jet company providing supersonic business jets for wealthy people. So we don't really see them as a competitor because they don't service airlines. Now, some of you may know Boom, and they're out there already working with some airlines. And the one difference that we have between them and us is that we can fly supersonically over land. They can only do over water, which is basically repeating the same tragedy of the Concorde. Now, Boeing is a big player, then invested in Aerion, and Airbus is not willing to take another risky bet because of the A380 fiasco. Now, we know this is an ambitious project, and we have an ambitious timeline. We've broken it up into 4 phases. And so currently, we're in the concept phase, where we want to develop a third-party conceptual design, or a conceptual design review, and have it vetted out by third-party experts like NASA or Lockheed. We're currently raising our seed round of $4.8 million to hire a best team of 12 engineers and business people to help us achieve this dream. If you're interested in learning more, and of course there are more details, we'll be at the booth, and we're happy to work with you in ushering in a new era of supersonic transport. Thank you.
Thank you, Norris. Take it over there.